Hi guys, I'm Brian, and this video you're watching right now,
Power. Unleash it. PS5 wireless controller. Marvel Spider-Man limited edition.
no camera, no editing. If you create content or sell products online, this can change how you work. And here's what really surprised me. You can upload just one product image and it generates a full try-on video with an AI model actually wearing your product. Not just that, you can create UGC style videos, VFX ads, 360-degree product ads, and even commercial style ads.
Orbit. Keep it fresh.
The tool I'm using is GravityWrite Video Generator. And in this video, I'll show you how every format works so you can see exactly what each one looks like and how to use them. So without any further ado, let's get started. To create the videos, just click the link below the description and sign in using your Google account. Now go to Video Generator, click here, and you will see different types of videos that you can create. Let's go through them one by one. The first one is text to reel video. Now a lot of times you might have content ideas, but you don't know how to turn it into a video. Or you're short on time and just want to create quickly. In those cases, the text to reel option helps you turn a simple text into a complete reel video.
From consistency to confidence, every small, repeated effort shapes a stronger, more assured you.
To create the video, select text to reel. Then write the text or topic that you want to turn into a reel. I'm going to enter from consistency to confidence. Here you can set the video duration. I'll set it as 60 seconds. Then choose the aspect ratio. Click here and select the format you need. For reels and shorts, portrait will be best, so let's select that. Next, choose the voiceover style for our video. Just click here and you'll see multiple voice options. You can preview each one and select the voice you like.
In springtime, the garden comes alive with color.
I'll go with this one.
In springtime, the garden comes alive.
Now if you open the advanced section, you'll get more control. You can select the video style such as realistic, comic, natural, Pixar style 3D, and so much more. You can choose the background music and the video quality. You can also give your exact script and let GravityWrite generate the video using it. Once everything is set, click on Generate Video, and in a few seconds, you can see the video has been generated. So let's play the video.
From consistency to confidence, every small, repeated effort shapes a stronger, more assured.
As you can see, the video is ready with visuals, captions, and voiceover based on the text that we provided. Now to download this video, simply click here and it will be saved to your computer. Now you can directly share this reel on multiple social media platforms. So this is how you can create videos simply by giving a prompt. Let's see how you can create 360-degree videos for your products. Let's say you're selling products online. Showing them in 360-degree helps customers see every detail clearly so they know exactly what they are buying before they click on purchase. To create a 360-degree product video, just click here, select 360-degree product video, and upload your product image. I'm going to upload a picture of this cake. Next, select the aspect ratio. I'll choose portrait and click on Generate Video. As you can see, the video has been generated. So let's click on it. And here you go. Your 360-degree product video is ready from every angle, created in just a few seconds. Now to download this video, simply click here and it will be downloaded to your system. So this is how you can create 360-degree videos for your products. Next, let's see how you can create virtual try-on videos. Alright, now if you want customers to see how your product looks like when someone wears it, you can create a virtual try-on video. It helps customers visualize how the product would look like in real life, making their decision easier. So to create a virtual product try-on video, click here and select Image to Virtual Product Try-on now. Upload your product image here. Set the video duration, then click Generate Video. Scroll down and you'll see the video generated with the model wearing your product. To download this video, just click here and it will be saved to your computer. Okay, now that your product looks real and presentable, you can also turn your product into a cinematic VFX ad like these. these kinds of ads are highly engaging and they grab instant attention. So to create a VFX video ad, click here and select the image to VFX Ad video. Now click here and upload a product image. If you have any specific instructions like the style, background or the effects, you can add them in the prompt section here. Next, select the aspect ratio and click on Generate Video. Scroll down and you will see the video has been generated. Let's open it. And as you can see, we've got a stunning VFX style ad created just in a few seconds. To download this video, simply click here and it will be downloaded to your system. Okay, now we've seen VFX ads and there are more ad formats available in GravityWrite which you can try. Next is the UGC Style Ad. You can create a realistic user-generated style video where it feels like a real customer is talking about your product. So to create a UGC ad video, click here and select the image to UGC ad video. Upload a product image. Select the aspect ratio based on where you want to post the video. And you can also add a character description like the age, gender or the style of the person. And below that, you can mention the location or background you want, like a room, studio or outdoor setting. Then choose the number of scenes you want for the video. And if you open the advanced section, you can even add your ad script if you already have one. Then select a voice preference and choose the model you want to use. Now click on Generate Video. Scroll down and you will see the video has been generated. Let's open it.
I started using this BioAqua Rose Hyaluronic Acid. It's honestly making my skin feel so soft. Even in this weather, my skin stays super hydrated.
And as you can see, it's a real UGC style ad featuring a model using the same product that we uploaded. To download the video, simply click here and it will be downloaded to your system. The next video type is a commercial ad. Commercial ads make your brand look professional and highlight your product in a clear, structured view. So to create a commercial ad video, click here and select image to commercial ad video. Upload a product image here. Next, add your product or brand name. Set the video duration. Select the aspect ratio and click on Generate Video. And the video will be generated. Let's open it.
Power. Unleash it. PS5 wireless controller. Marvel Spider-Man limited edition. Poor Spider-Man.
And as you can see, the AI has created a clean professional commercial ad featuring a product. To download the video, simply click here and it will be downloaded to your system. Now to use this video generator, you will need a paid plan. Right now, you can get a full year of GravityWrite for just $97. Choose your payment method, enter your details, and once the payment is made, your video generator access will be activated. So that's it guys. This is how you can create professional videos from text or images. So go ahead and start creating your own videos with GravityWrite. If you found this helpful, do give it a like and subscribe to Website Learners for more videos like this one. Also, you can get our latest videos directly on WhatsApp. You can just scan the QR or tap the link and hit follow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.